Hi guys, it's Ed. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. There is something intriguing unfolding in the Ukrainian air defense strategy as they've successfully shot down 6 Russian jets in the past 3 days. Despite Russian denials, we've obtained footage of one of the crashes. If the trends persist, it could severely cripple Russian short-range aviation capabilities.
Russian planes continue to fall. This morning, defenders of the sky shot down 2 Russian planes in the eastern direction, a Su-34 fighter bomber and a Su-35 fighter. Russian helicopters were flying over the sea. Reportedly, they were looking for the aircraft crew. So, in 3 days, Ukraine destroyed 6 Russian jets. The Russian planes have been shot down south of Russian-occupied Mariupol, around 80 kilometers or 50 miles from the next Ukrainian army position. Russian war bloggers such as Romanov have already confirmed one of the 2 shot-down planes, the Su-35S, from this morning. And they do not mince words because it comes of a streak of eliminated Russian planes in this week and before. It is obvious that a certain weapon systems is hunting Russian planes in the entire area of southern Ukraine, respectively the Sea of Azov. Ukrainian military from the Presidential Brigade destroy the Russian video surveillance complex Murom-M. Ukrainian forces are claimed to have now withdrawal from defensive positions to the south and west of Robotyne in the Zaporizhia region, following a significant assault by Russian mechanized infantry with the support of tactical air and armor. Russian ground troops appear to have entered at least the outskirts of the town. A video report of Russian forces entering Avdiivka after Ukrainian forces withdrew. Look how proud they are over capturing ruins, losing tens of thousands of forces and more than 650 armored pieces of equipment, and counting, in a matter of months. It took them 10 years in total. Russia is advancing in 5 directions at once. This is the most dangerous situation since the beginning of the war, writes the New York Times. Russia's assault has split into 5 major lines of attack: Avdiivka, Marinka, Robotyne, Kreminna, and Bakhmut directions. The Russian Federation has accumulated up to 40,000 military personnel in the area of Mariupol and about 110,000 in the area of Kupiansk and Lyman. Russia is trying to regain the territories that the armed forces of Ukraine liberated during the counteroffensives in 2022 and 2023. A Ukrainian border guard describes the close-quarter combat in Avdiivka, less than 10 meters. He explains that Russian would attack in human waves every 20 minutes, without any military tactic except that. Gunfight at very short distances. In one instance, a Russian just met Ukrainians face to face. He was pushed with one hand, while with the other hand, the Ukrainian soldier shot him.
Бої на Авдіївці складалися дуже важкі в зв'язку з тим, що контакт з противником був на надмалих дистанціях. Це 3, 5, 10 метрів. Буквально в одному будинку сидиш ти, а в іншому вже вони. В них тактика бою дуже примітивна. Вони накопичуються в домі, а потім просто виходять і йдуть на штурм. Помирають перед будинком, інші їхні побратими доходять до тіл, бачать тіла, піднімають свої очі, бачать нас, і в їхніх вже обличчях спостерігається цей погляд того, що вони вже розуміють, що вони вже померли і там падають. Це просто безкінечно. Просто безкінечно, постійне, безперервні ці штурми, кожних 20 хвилин вони йдуть і помирають.
Там йде війна. Наступають, не дають нам спокою, але ми їх вбиваємо.
Була ситуація, коли орк помер на відстані 10 см від побратима. Побратим крив кут сказати, не будівлі, а паркану. І тут ми почули кулеметну чергу, що працюють наші побратими. Повертається голова, і наш побратим бачить перед ним орка, відпихає його рукою, здійснює чергу в нього, він помер.
I hope you like this video. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.